Hi there! Today we're cooking egg survival dishes. With just eggs, we can make so many yummy meals. Let's find out what we can cook. Let's go. In Thai, egg is called kani. I'm back. I'm super hungry. Let's see, what's in the fridge? Oh, just eggs. Yay, I can cook some egg dishes. Omelette, fried egg, boiled egg soup, steamed egg, they all sound yummy. Let's cook something yummy together. First, Thai-style omelette. Khài jiaw is a Thai-style omelette made by beating eggs until fluffy, then frying in hot oil. Crispy outside, soft inside, and super fragrant. Fried egg, Khài daao, is a Thai-style fried egg cooked without breaking the yolk. The egg white is cooked, but the yolk stays soft and runny. Some people love crispy edges. It's super delicious with hot steamed rice. Let's go make more egg dishes. Boiled egg. Khài tôm means boiled egg. We cook the egg in hot water until it's done. Soft-boiled or hard-boiled, both are delicious. Steamed egg. Khài tùn is a Thai-style steamed egg. We beat the eggs and steam them until soft and silky, like pudding. Boiled eggs in a sweet brown sauce, Khài pa-lóh, is a sweet savory stew made from boiled eggs, pork belly, and tofu, flavored with cinnamon and star anise. Boiled egg fried in a sweet sauce, Khài lûuk-khǒei. Boiled eggs are deep-fried until crispy on the outside, then topped with a sweet and sour tamarind sauce and crispy shallots. Wow! We've learned so many fun egg dishes. They're super easy and really tasty. Let's quickly review all the yummy egg menus we made today. Khài pa-lóh, boiled eggs in a sweet brown sauce. Khài tùn, steamed egg. Khài jiaw, Thai-style omelette. Khài daao, fried egg. Khài lûuk-khǒei, boiled egg fried in a sweet sauce. Khài tôm, boiled egg. Khài guan, scrambled egg. Khàiกระทะ, Vietnam-style pan eggs. Khài kem, salted egg. Khài khôn, creamy omelette. Khài luộc, soft boiled egg. Khài jiaw ma, century egg. Also yummy! We enjoyed delicious egg dishes today. How about you? Which one is your favorite? Let's learn more words in the next video. If you like these egg dishes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Thanks for learning Thai with us.